Xiaomi is one of those strange cases of companies that are in everything, since their products cover a large number of segments ranging from smartphones, to a toilet bowl, scarves, slippers and many more products. Therefore, it is not surprising that now Xiaomi continues to expand its huge range of products with a new smart garbage can. This cube has a sensor so that the lid opens automatically when we put our hands together. According to the specifications, the sensor will be able to detect us at a maximum distance of 35 centimeters. In addition, the lid closes hermetically, so it will not leave the odors. According to the information, the bucket has its own plastic distribution system for waste, which is thermally sealed when it is detected that it is at maximum capacity. Given this, a sound alert would be issued that would indicate that it is necessary to remove the bag, which ensures avoid spills and leaks of liquid. In addition, inside the cube we would find an LED light that would serve as lighting for the interior, as well as a front button that would also serve to open the lid and activate the sealing of the bag. Its dimensions are 40 x 24 x 31 centimeters and has a capacity of 15.5 liters.